So do you also run a restaurant? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow, and in this video we are going to understand how to build a WhatsApp chatbot to share promotional offers for a local restaurant. So over here I'm also running a local restaurant and we receive multiple amount of questions on our WhatsApp daily from our users. But this is such a time consuming task to reply to all of those same questions again and again. So to solve this problem, I've simply created a WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow, where what is going to happen is that whenever now my user is going to send me a message, an automatic reply would be sent to my user, that too without any manual intervention. So if you also want to create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own business, then for that you have to come with me towards my screen.
Welcome to my screen. So in this video, I'll show you how to build a WhatsApp chatbot for your local restaurant that automatically shares promotional offers with customers. So whether it is discounts or new offers or viewing your menu, the bot will keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. So it's a great way to boost the foot traffic and create loyal diners all on autopilot. So let's get started. So as you can see that I've simply created this amazing chatbot for my own local restaurant, and now I'm just going to first show you the proper working of this chatbot. So I'm just going to open my WhatsApp and let's say that I'm just going to send them any of this keyword right over here. So I'm just going to send them this hey, and as soon as I'm just going to send them this hey, it is saying hey there, welcome to the Spice Junction. Before we share your today's amazing offers, could you please tell us your full name? Alright, so I'm simply going to give them my full name right over here. So as you can see, within seconds the chatbot is responding and solving my queries. You can see that now they have given me three options. Let's say I want to view the offers, so I can simply go towards this new offers, and over here are the new offers, which is buy one get one free on pasta, flat 25% off on all the dinner combos, free dessert with orders above $4.99. So these are the some new offers, right? So as you can see that my chatbot has responded within seconds, right, and solved all my customer queries. So if you also want to create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own restaurant too, then for that you have to stick to this video till the end. So to do this, you simply have to open a new tab and look for the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow by simply searching pabbly.com/chatflow in your browser like this. And yes, you can see as soon as you're going to search for pabbly.com/chatflow, it is going to open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, and over here you are going to get two options. One is sign in and the another one is sign up for free. So if you are a new user, you can click on this sign up for free and you're going to get a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow. But over here I am an existing user, so I'm simply going to click on this button given right over here which says sign in, and as soon as we're going to click on this sign in, it is opening all Pabbly apps, and over here you can see all the tools and applications offered by Pabbly. But in today's video we are going to use Pabbly Chatflow because I want to automate WhatsApp conversations effortlessly. So I'm simply going to click on this access now right over here to access my Pabbly Chatflow account, and after clicking on this access now button right over here, it is opening the dashboard of my Pabbly Chatflow account. And over here, in order to create a WhatsApp chatbot, we simply have to click on this add WhatsApp number. In order to create a WhatsApp chatbot, we first have to add a WhatsApp number in our Pabbly Chatflow account, and you must be wondering how can we add a WhatsApp number. So we can simply add the WhatsApp number by entering the meta access token, the phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID. So you must be wondering from where you're going to get all of these three. So to get all of these three, you have to create a WhatsApp Cloud API setup, and in order to learn how to create a WhatsApp Cloud API setup and add a WhatsApp number in Pabbly Chatflow account, you have to refer to this video or the tutorial we have attached right over here. After watching this tutorial, you will learn how to create a WhatsApp Cloud API account and connect it with Pabbly Chatflow and add a WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. You simply have to refer to this video which we have given right over here. And even after watching this video, if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. Alright, so on my dashboard you can see we are going to get the credits allotted, the credits consumed, and also you can see the folders section. So if you wish, you can definitely create a folder right over here. Alright, so now I'm just going to create a WhatsApp WhatsApp chatbot. For that, I have already added a WhatsApp number in my Pabbly Chatflow account. And over here, to create a WhatsApp chatbot, we have to go towards this left side of the bar. So over here, you can see in the left side of the bar, we have few options like dashboard, which I already explained you. We have inbox where you can manage the conversations. We have this contact section where what is going to happen is you can manage your contacts or also create. And now we have team queue section where you can assign chats to your team members. We have template section where you can create the templates. Then we have broadcast section where you can create the broadcast. And then we have flow section with the help of which we are going to create a chatbot. And then further we have this settings and this get help section. So if you want to learn about any of this section in detail, we have attached the video in the description box below. You can check it out. We are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot, and this video is only going to focus on creating a WhatsApp chatbot to share the promotional offers for a local restaurant. So for that, I'm just going to go towards this flow section of my Pabbly Chatflow account. And after coming over here towards this flow section, we simply have to click on this button which says add flow. And as soon as we're going to click on this add flow button, over here it is giving me this window where we have three options to start this flow, either to enter the keywords, regex, or choose a template. So if you want to begin this flow with the help of template, you can go towards this choose template. You can select a template right over here, and then further what is going to happen is that whenever your user is going to reply to that template, automatically the flow will start. The next is to enter the regex. So if you wish, you can definitely enter the regex too right over here, but you have to enter the regex in a specific pattern only. And you must be wondering, what is regex? So regex are regular expression that help your WhatsApp chatbot understand what a user is trying to say by matching the specific keywords in the message. Alright, and the third one is to enter the keywords, and today we are going to use keywords only in order to start this flow. So I'm just going to enter some most commonly used keywords right over here, which is hey, hello, and hi. Alright, so I'm simply going to do this. I'm just going to type the keyword right over here. Let's say hey, and then we have to press the enter right over here. It is really important to press enter because otherwise the keyword will not be added. You simply have to type the keyword and then press enter like I am doing. So I'm just going to enter three keywords which is most commonly used, hey, hello, and hi. And leaving these three most commonly used keywords, I'm just going to enter some keywords which are related to my store, which is order right over here. So I'm just going to enter a keyword which is order. Then I'm just going to enter a keyword which is shop right over here, and then one keyword which is food, and one more keyword which is offers right over here. So I'm just going to enter all the keywords, and after entering all of these keywords, with this we have successfully completed this flow start. And now what I want is that whenever my user sends me any of these keywords, what is going to happen is first this bot is going to ask them for their full name. Alright, so what we're going to do is to ask them for their full name. I'm simply going to go towards this action and drag and drop this ask question, and I'm just going to connect it with this flow start. And now I'm just going to enter the message to ask my user for their full name. So as you can see that this is the message which I'm going to enter, and now it is asking me to select the contact custom field. Alright, so I'm simply going to select the contact custom field right over here. But first, in order to select the contact custom field, you have to create one. And if you want to learn how to create this contact custom field, you can go towards this settings and then contact custom field section to learn how to create this contact custom field. I have already created many, and if you want to know any detail about this contact custom fields, you can check out the video given in the description box below. I have created many contact custom fields, so I'm simply going to select one from this which is full name. And now it is saying to select me the format of the reply, so I'm simply going to select the format which is text. And now it is asking me for the number of attempts I want to give to my user, so I'm just going to keep it as one only. And now it is asking me to enter the validation message. So if you wish, you can definitely enter a validation message right over here like this. What is going to happen is that let's say you selected the format of the reply as text. Alright, so let's say if your user is going to reply in any another format which is not text, then this chatbot will not move on further. So you can increase the number of attempts and give a validation message that please enter the full name in text format only, or error or something like this, so that your user knows how to do this. Alright, but I'm not going to enter the validation message because this is not the required field. Alright, now we're going to move on further. After my user shares their full name, what I want is I want to give them all of these options. Alright, so to give them all of these options, I'm simply going to drag and drop the connection and select the content type as text plus button. Now I'm just going to enter the message I want to send to them, and this is the message which I want to send. In the end of the message, you can see it is saying please tap one of the options below to get started. And to add these buttons, we simply have to click on this button right over here which says add button. I'm just going to add 3 buttons, and then we have to enter the text in these buttons. Alright, so I'm simply going to enter the text one by one. First is view menu, the next is new offers, and the third is order and pickup. Now we are going to move on further. Now I'm just going to simply drag and drop the connection right over here and set up the message for all of these 3. First, we are going to start with view menu. So I'm simply going to drag and drop the connection, select the content type as media right over here, and I'm just going to simply attach the menu PDF. For that, I'm just going to go towards this browse file option, and now from here I have to select my menu, which is this. So I'm simply going to select my menu and attach it right over here, and as soon as I'm just going to select the menu over here, you can see that it has already selected the media type and the URL, so we don't have to change this. Automatically Pabbly Chatflow has detected it. I'm simply going to enter the caption which I want to send with this menu, and after doing this, I'm just going to add 2 buttons in this too, which is place an order, and the second one would be contact us. Now we're going to move on further towards this new offers. I'm simply going to drag and drop the connection and select the content type as text plus button. So over here, if my user selects new offer as their option, what I want is I want to send them the offers like this. Alright, so what we're going to do is I'm simply going to enter the same message right over here, and in the end of the message you can see that it is saying to place an order, tap the button below. So for that, I'm just going to enter the place an order button right over here. Now we're going to move on further, and then we're going to enter the text. I'm just going to add another button right over here which is contact us. I'm just going to enter the text for the same too. Now we're going to move on further towards the third, which is order and pickup. So I'm simply going to drag and drop the connection and select the content type as text plus button. And now what I want is that when my user selects order and pickup, I want to send them a message something like this. And after doing this, we are simply going to move on further. So you can notice that this message is also the place an order message, right? So what we're going to do is instead of adding the messages in front of all of these buttons again and again, I'm simply going to connect this place an order message button right over here. What I'm going to do is I'm simply going to connect this place an order button with this order and pickup message, because I want to send this message only when my user selects place an order. So I'm simply going to create a connection between this place an order and this message. Instead of manually entering the message again and again, I can simply connect a single message with multiple buttons, which I've done right over here. And now we're going to move on further. I'm just going to add a button in this text too, which is contact us. Alright, I'm simply going to enter contact us, and now we're going to move on further and set up the message for contact us. I'm simply going to drag and drop the connection and select the content type as text plus button, and I'm just simply going to enter the message for contact us. And yes, this is the message I want to enter for contact us, and I'm just simply going to connect this message with all the buttons which says contact us. And after simply connecting this, what we're going to do is I'm just going to name this chatbot. I'm just going to name this chatbot as restaurant chatbot. And yes, over here you can see that I've successfully named this chatbot. And after naming this chatbot, I'm simply going to click on this button which says save. And yes, you can see flow updated successfully. And now with this, we have successfully updated this flow. And now I'm just going to test this flow. For that, you have to keep in mind that this button should always be switched on. And now I'm just going to test this flow. I'm just going to open my WhatsApp. I'm just going to clear the previous chat and start fresh. Alright, I'm just going to send them one of the keyword which was food. So I'm just going to send them this keyword which is food right over here. And yes, whenever I'm just going to send them the keyword, it is asking me for the full name. So let's say this time I'm just going to enter my full name as demo user. So I'm just going to enter demo user and send them this. And now we're going to move on further. It is saying welcome to Spice Junction, and over here it is giving me 3 options. So I'm just going to test all of these one by one. First, I'm just going to go towards this view menu, and over here you can see that it is sharing me the menu, and further I can download this menu menu right from here. And as you can see that this is the menu. Now we're going to move on further towards the next button. I'm just going to test this new offers right over here, and as you can see that it is sharing me the same. Now we're going to move on further and test this order and pickup message, and yes, you can see that it is sharing me this too. And now I'm just going to test this contact us message too. I'm just going to select contact us, and now it is giving me the message for contact us too. So as you can see that over here I have had a proper conversation with this WhatsApp chatbot which we created right now. And yes, with this we have successfully completed this chatbot and this video too. But this chatbot also offers some more amazing features, and to show you that I'm just simply going to open my inbox, and over here in the inbox section you can check the proper conversation which happened between the chatbot and the user. Not only this, but you can also check the status of the message, and also you know that our user shared their full name which is demo user. So as you can see that this demo user has been added in this contact custom field section under the full name section. So yes, you can see that not only sending and receiving of WhatsApp messages, but you can also collect your customer information with the help of this amazing WhatsApp chatbot. So now go and try this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own restaurant, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow. And then if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching.
So not only this, but with the help of same logic, you can create multiple chatbots which are tailored to your business needs. So now if you want to contact us, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this website. So now go and create this WhatsApp chatbot for your business and try Pabbly Chatflow for free.